Cruz Ramirez, Bow Blower.
1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go.
Jonah Toys and Games.
Hi, boys and girls. My name is Jonah Bear. Cruz Ramirez, Bow Blower. Wow. Whoa! Boys and girls, look at this!
Oh, there we go. Come on. And this side. There you go. Got this one?
Yo, boys and girls, this is for the holes so you can see inside the water.
Yeah, go to the side, and then is that it?
Yes,
Now, what's the last one?
the car. Okay.
Think you got it. Let's see.
Time to put it together. We all done.
All right. So Cruz Ramirez has to hit the barrels?
Yes.
All right, here we go. All right, Jonah, on the count of 3.
1,
2, 3, go!
Let's go.
All right. All right, boys and girls, so we see there's a barrel in the middle, and there goes Cruz Ramirez. Cruz Ramirez has to knock the barrel down. Do you think you can do that, Jonah?
Yeah.
All right, so at the count of 3, you're gonna let go the launcher, and let's see if you can knock the barrel down. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go.
Wow.
Wow, that's so cool.
All right, let's try it again. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go.
Oh yeah!
1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go.
Whoa! You down both of the barrels.
Daddy, let's do a stunt.
You want to do a stunt?
Yes.
What do you want to do?
Get the Cruz Ramirez gun and he'll fly and he will knock down and he will go outside.
Wow, so you want Cruz Ramirez to fly over this, land in the circle, and knock down the barrels?
Yes.
Let's see if we can make that happen. On the count of 3, let's try it, all right? On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, go!
Let's go.
Looks like we did it. Great job.